Usually by this time of year, we've bought all of our fall yarn. We know what's coming in for fall. We've seen all our reps, done all the things we need to do. Well, this year, as everybody knows, it's a totally different story. Everybody's kind of late in the game, getting everything together. Normally, we don't even want to see fall yarn until probably July or August, when we usually get it in early, so we have time to get it all staged and ready to go. But this year, a lot of backlog on supply is expected. The mills in Italy had been shut down for so long, and we just thought we needed something new now. So with our orders, we're like, yeah, just go ahead and send it, what the heck. It may not be fall yet, but we don't care. This is just a small part. I mean, these are just 2 regular size boxes of yarn. Nothing big deal here. This is a small part of what we got in today from Berroco, so I thought we'd see what we got. I can't even remember myself. Let's see here. Jeannie, do you remember what we bought?
I do not.
Oh, we got a sample. That's exciting. You can get samples this. Okay, Berroco sesame. We thought, well, we didn't buy that last year, and we probably should have. We were so, up to our eyeballs adding all the Rowan yarns, we just really couldn't see past where we'd put anything. But now that we've settled in with Rowan, we thought, well, we've got room. And we think it's a pretty yarn. Something a little different. Let's see what the sample is. We got a sample. Oh, it's a scarf. Hey, it's kind of like that scarf we did with the loom the other day. Remember? That was shaped like a triangle, but it's bigger.
Yep.
Okay, that must be the hot new thing. Or not, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And these, to me, I like these style with a shawl pin. It doesn't go with my orange top, but you get the idea. Put a shawl pin there. I think that's a great shape. And this is made with sesame. We'll put on news.swagnet.com, the pattern and how many, since obviously I'm just seeing this for the first time. So excuse me if I don't have all the deets. Yeah, but this is a whole box full of sesame, all different colors. Okay. Looks like that. Wow, we bought a lot of sesame.
We did.
Oh, there's some more down here. Hold on, what else is in it? Let's throw them over here. Oh, Medina. Nothing too well, Medina's always exciting, but I think this is just reorders on some popular colors. Yeah, guys have been making night shifts out of Medina like crazy, so we had to get some more Medina. I am making a mess. That's okay, give Sophia something to do later. Okay, so there goes the box with sesame. Okay. Now this one, I believe, has brand new yarns. Never seen before by anybody. Well, some people see them, I guess. This is exciting.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this one.
See, we forget what we do. Yeah, this was just
yeah.
cool. This is Artesia, and it is actually soft, even though it's mohair. We usually kind of steer away from mohair because it can be itchy, but this is an alpaca mohair nylon blend, and this is a hand-dyed. So even the big companies will get more into the hand-dyed look. And I think it's really pretty yarn, but I remember why I bought it, because I had a different vision. Okay, I'm gonna throw the Artesia down here on the floor. I have a different vision. This is another new yarn they have called Moki. And it's just real light and airy and kind of has that speckled look. I don't know that they necessarily intended for these to be coordinated, but look at these together. I mean, well, they don't all, well, there's like the blue and the blue. And I think almost all of these have some sort of one you could pair with it, even though, like I said, I don't know necessarily that that's how they were designed. They have patterns for these by themselves, but my idea is to combine them together into something great. That'll give us something to do. Jeannie and me. Yeah, so Jeannie and I will start working on that, how to combine those. But I think this is great. I'm going to open one of these so we can feel it. It's like air. Look how pretty that is. 191 yards on a ball. Real generous yardage. And I think this has generous yardage too, because this is a big old skein. This has, let's see, 475 yards on one of these. So you can make something with just 1 or 2 of these. Okay, that's what came from Berroco today. We'll see what comes later in the week.